okay, this is different.
What's a bad romance?
365 days.
Abduction to love. No, that's fucking. That is that fucking movie.
Age gap. It can be done okay if they're both legal. It can be good. So C, or mid if you want. I'm okay with it sometimes. I hate Amnesia. It's so tropey, and I know this is tropes, but it's the worst. I don't I don't have any. I think angst is a part of every romance, so I don't get how that's a trope. Absolute S. Every time S. Absolute S. Every time it's an S. But okay, not every time.
I've never seen banter done good in any movie ever.
I don't want to watch any single BDSM thing ever.
I'm trying to think of one. Other than like 50 Shades of Grey, which kind of started its own fucking.
Best Friend's Brother's actually kind of good.
That's
mid or A, I think. That's literally after. That is literally the plot of After.
That's also She's All That though, which
That's
did it
one
good.
movie.
No, that's all
How
the
is
movies
that
in the
S?
90s.
Can you
Oh,
put it
look.
A? How is it Arranged Marriage and Bad Boy Good Girl?
Because it's like the titular like 90s trope.
So is Best Friend's Brother.
Yeah.
Billionaire C, whatever. If they have money, whatever.
I'm gonna fuck up.
I kind of like it. Yeah. That one's cute sometimes. It's like when they like pretend to be in a relationship and then they end up falling in love. Like it's like that movie Just Go With It.
Is that the one where Uma Thurman? There's a one with Uma Thurman, and she gets married to Jeffrey Dean Morgan, and like I don't know, I can't remember how, but it's like an accident, and the whole movie is she's trying to get a divorce from him, and then they end up getting together. It's like a really good. Wait, what is it? It's really fucking. He's like a fireman.
Well, I assume if they're fake in a fake relationship. Jeffrey Epstein.
Yep. Yeah, that's a good movie.
Well, if they're like in a fake relationship.
Oh, it's got Colin Firth in as well.
Then yes.
Oh yeah, because he's the one she's meant to marry.
But I personally feel fake relationship is pretty high, so I don't care. But Forbidden Love A. I don't know what that means.
Foreign romance.
Like a French guy.
You're foreign. I feel like it's just gonna show me fucking.
I don't know. I'm gonna say C. I don't like Friends to Lovers either. It's as bad as Enemies to Lovers, but it's a little better. I will. Hate Sex is pretty good.
This is a horrible image for this.
Okay.
Is it hate sex or hate sex?
Hate Sex. I'd put it mid. Huddling for Warmth, kind of cute.
That's fucking.
Human X Vampire, now that is a S. Ew. 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 Mistaken Identity is just cruel to the reader, in my opinion.
Mutual pining.
Again, what's the point? You basically solved the story. One of Them Is Famous is kind of good.
Out for You.
Out gay for like you, out and gay, I guess.
Partners in Crime.
Mid.
Playboy.
Yeah, I would say A.
Pregnancy.
I don't want anything with babies.
Porn Without Plot.
It can be mid because it can be good. Yes, S. Ooh, Renewed First Love. Ooh, S. Ooh, lots of good ones. Secret relationship I like, but A. Sharing a bed, we know how I feel.
Sleepover.
I guess? Whatever. I don't like soulmates. I hate unrequited love.
Worthy opponents, Mr. and Mrs. Smith.